Hello everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Hua. I'm 21 years old. I was born and grew up in Thanh It's a very nice city. Right now, I'm a student. I study very hard every day. I choose to be here because I eager to learn. I enjoy learning English. I speak English everywhere and all the time. I like making friends and I get along with everyone. In my free time, I like reading books and listening to music. I'm happy to meet you all. I believe we all become good friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.